But there are proven things that you teach your delivery people, and I became one of your delivery people. So now, as the master, you're going to judge my numbers.
Well, I'll be honest. I'll be honest. So I'm not gonna. I'm not just gonna tell you
100%.
what you want to hear.
100% honesty is what we're going for.
All right.
I did it for a couple of weeks. Honestly, I'm in the suburbs of LA. Not that busy, but it's not as densely populated as LA. But I loved it. Honestly, I had never done delivery ever.
Was it Uber Eats?
Just Uber Eats, because I'm signed up with DoorDash and Grubhub now, because I figured my utilization was garbage, but my active hour numbers were ridiculous.
You were active a lot. You were active a high percentage of the time that you were on the road.
No, that's the utilization rate, right? So if I was online 30 hours, I was active only 15.
Oh, I see. Right? Got it.
That's because I cherry picked the crap out of it after I watched a couple of your videos, especially no tip, no trip. That one, that one. I did 103 trips last 2 weeks. Okay, all had tips, and my tips averaged more. In 90% of the cases, they average more than the fare itself.
Oh, that's how you want it. Yeah. Okay. So can you leave that there? Well, I want to just look as you talk.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So you know the breakdown. So net fare, $266.26. Other earnings I will explain in a second. Tip $331.96. So close to, I don't know, 30% more than my net fares. My total was $665. Online 33 hours, 61 trips. This is last week. So half of it was active, right? 50% utilization rate. On active hour, it was like $40 an hour. On online hour, it was like $20 an hour. But in those online hours, I honestly did not think I was wasting my time. I did all my emails, returned all the phone calls. I was basically running a car office. But the thing that, the previous week to this week, my numbers improved in every category by 40%. So what I did was I figured in my area, a triangle. Each triangle has a cluster of restaurants, and I tried to stay within those restaurants. Okay. And the total miles driven, by the way, for this week were 220 miles. So overall, it came to maybe like $3.20 a mile overall, right? Now, on the breakdown, you see other earnings, $67.71, right?
Is that a promotion or Quest or something?
No, they're not. I don't have any of those. Uber shut me up. What those are is, see, this week, actually, that I'm doing, I'm going to get close to $160. Those are Proposition 22
that's right.
additions.
Got it.
Because food delivery fares are so horrible, like absolutely freaking horrible, that with Prop 22, we get 120% of minimum wage, which is $16.05 in LA, which takes me to $19.20, plus 30 cents a mile. So for this week, if you multiply 16 and a half hours that you see active times $20, let's say, it should be $320. So on the net fare, I should get about a $50, $60 adjustment. Plus the 220 miles I drove times 30 cents, another $65 adjustment. So that's about $130. So if you add the $130 to the $665, I'm close to $800. At $800 with 16 hours active time, I'm close to $50 an hour active. And I would be right about $25 to $26 an hour on online time. I think for the second week, I did amazingly well. And the other thing is, on the right screenshot, this is yesterday.
That's yesterday, yeah.
That's yesterday.
That's a really, really, really strong way to
start. That's RideShare. That's not food.
Oh, that's RideShare. Okay.
So I went out and just to see how my matrix are going to run, right? Hour and 32 online, hour and 22 active, meaning 90% of the time I have a passenger in the car or going to a passenger. 4 trips, $57. That's about $45 an hour or whatever on active time, and pretty much the same thing on online time. Now, the reason for that is because rideshare, and this is all in my area. I didn't go to LAX. I didn't take any long trips. It was all short trips, but it was surging like hell. I took all 4 rides were on surge. So my thing is, I love now doing deliveries, but I think deliveries to me is like a filler, maybe like a filler for my rideshare.
Yes.
But overall, the fact that food doesn't slam your door or ask for an aux cord or throw up in your car or talk back to you.
Or that never happens. That never happens. What are you talking about?
Be a backseat driver. None of these things, right? I absolutely loved food delivery. I loved it.
Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.